Hi everybody, it's Professor Hatch. This is I'm actually recording the first video for the first essay, which you guys have already worked on. But anyway, let's get to it. I have not left the house in a week because of the fires. All my classes have been on Zoom. There's my share screen. All right. So this is the growth essay or the growth mindset essay. And At this point, you've already read the Brainology handout by Carol Dweck. You've watched the Dare to Embrace Failure TED Talk for a discussion board assignment you had. You listen to this podcast, and there's a link for the transcript of the podcast. You listen to that for a discussion board assignment you had. So what I'm asking you to do now is write an essay of, oh gosh, I need to change that real quick. I'm going to do that right now. And if I had video editing skills, you would never see this, but I don't. So you have to tolerate this. I apologize. All right, there we go. I'm asking you to write an essay of no less than 1,200 words. This is a little longer than I normally do for a first essay, but if you've been doing the discussion board assignments, you're already more than halfway done with this entire essay. So I want you to write an essay, no less than 1,200 words, in which you provide a definition of growth mindset, discuss no less than 2 benefits of having a growth mindset, and propose 1 method a person can use to help them develop a growth mindset. It's pretty simple. And so I've already asked you, as I say, you've already done most of this work. You did a lot of work for this essay with the write a introduction discussion board assignment, write a body paragraph discussion board assignment. There was the extra credit for more body paragraphs. If you did that, you're well on your way to being done. And finally, I asked you to write a conclusion. That was a discussion board assignment as well. So is all of that exactly what you need for this essay? Not quite. I'm asking you to do a little bit more, but if you've done all that work, you are well on your way to being done. So what I want you to do is take what you've already written, and I want you to organize it into an outline, and I'm going to create a separate video for that outline assignment. And then I want you to turn that outline back into a rough draft. And the reason I want you to take what you've written, which is in paragraph format, and turn it into outline format, and then turn it back into paragraph format, is because it's an exercise that will just, it can only improve your understanding of essay structure. The more that you have this stuff internalized, the better you're going to do on essays in the future in this class as well as other classes in future semesters. So you're going to take what you've already written, you're going to organize it into an outline, and that's going to be an assignment that I will do a separate video for. And then you're going to take that outline and organize it back into paragraph format for the rough draft, which I probably will make a very short, probably, we'll see, a very short, yeah, I'll make a short video for that essay as well. It's really super simple, but doesn't matter. I'll make a video. And then uh, both of those are going to be due this week, the week that you're watching this video. Next week, I'm going to ask you to do peer review for each other. And then I'm going to ask you to also turn in your final drafts. Um, yeah, that's how I'm going to do that. I probably should have all of this a little bit more concrete before recording a video, but it's Sunday at 2:30, and this goes live at midnight tonight. So I just want to get this done. It's a little too edge of the seat for my taste, but that's how this semester has been for me. And I'm guessing a lot of you understand that. Okay, so what are the requirements for this essay? You don't need a works cited page. I'm going to get rid of that. In fact, I'm just, once again, just going to get rid of that right now. 1,200 to 1,500 words. Take that very seriously. I do not want to grade essays that are longer than 1,500 words, because there's 30 some odd of you in this class, and that's a lot of grading. So 1,200 to 1,500 words. Do not worry about the works cited page for this essay. You don't need it. No less than 3 sources, all of which have to come from the assigned reading /viewing/listening, which are all listed up above here. You can use more sources if you want, but all three of those sources listed above have to be used for this assignment. Also, you don't need more than that, but if you choose, make sure not to overdo it on evidence. A lot of people overdo it on evidence, and that screws their essay structure up and it screws their grade over. You only need one piece of evidence per body paragraph. Your body paragraph should have like one quote and then like 3 to 4 sentences of analysis talking about why that quote supports the topic sentence. All of this I've gone over in the write a body paragraph discussion board assignment, as well as the basic essay structure page. And then whatever program you use to write this, you're going to need to submit it in docx or PDF format. So if you're using Pages or Google Docs or whatever, just export it to one of these two formats and that's it. No block quotes, and obviously where it says video coming soon, this video will be right there. So that's everything I think I need to say about this assignment. You've already done most of the work, like I say, and I want to keep this video short because the outline video is going to be a little bit on the longer side. Not too bad. But yeah, I'm going to shut up. If you have questions, obviously, please text me and remind. And just in case it hasn't been said, it should have been, but just in case, you can text me and remind 24/7. I don't care if you're working on this at 3 in the morning. If you have a question, text me at 3 in the morning. Remind doesn't make noise on my phone, so I'm not going to hear it. I won't wake up, and I'll get back to you when I do wake up. Sound good? Awesome. I'll talk to you in the outline video. Bye.